Medical device manufacturing transfers are complex, high-stakes operations. They demand meticulous planning, flawless execution, and a deep understanding of regulatory landscapes. At Sterling, we excel in all these domains.
Whether you've outgrown your internal capabilities or your current contract manufacturer, we've got a track record of adding value and helping OEMs scale. Our end-to-end approach, from supply chain management to component fabrication to packaging, helps us carry more of the load for our clients and respond quickly to challenges as they arise.
Our strength is meeting clients where they are today while designing and preparing for volume growth. We refine processes and technologies while improving cost, quality, and consistency.
Our engineering team works hand in hand with operations and clients, ensuring that every transfer not only maintains but ideally enhances product integrity and manufacturability.
Quality and compliance are at the very core of everything we do. Our QMS-centric workflow ensures that every step of the transfer process is fully compliant, protecting your reputation, and most importantly, patient safety.
At Sterling, we're committed to your product's long-term success and profitability. If you're looking for a better solution for your medical device manufacturing, Sterling can make it happen seamlessly and successfully.